see the beautiful things in your life, does it bring to you a sense of fulfillment or an amazement or a joy from inside and from nowhere? It is said that never lose an opportunity for seeing anything that is beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guest, I welcome you all to be a part of my journey to a very beautiful place called Ponmudi, the Kashmir of Kerala. It was on the month of December 2019 I went to Ponmudi, the Golden Peak. It is a part of Western Ghats and it is an enchanting hill station. This place is famous for mist-covered hills and it is situated 61 kilometers away from Trivandrum city in Kerala. I went to Ponmudi through the winding road and through the thriving hills and sweeping valleys of Western Ghats up to the Ponmudi hill station. Most flora and fauna can be seen here, including the mountain flowers, the wild orchids, and the exotic butterflies. The climate of this place is really pleasant. A large number of cottages and resorts have come up in this place. Tourists can enjoy the very essence of the nature and its beauty while staying here. Tree House View Tower is another great place to visit in Ponmudi. A special attraction of Ponmudi is Meenmutti Kala waterfall. One can stop over at the breathtaking Kala river which flows parallel to the road in the opposite direction. A large part of this place is covered with thick, dense forest, and after covering this, one can reach this place. The wild flowers growing on the banks of the brooks just add to the overall beauty. The waterfall cascades down to a series of boulders to form a large pool. The cold water flowing through the rocks is a beautiful sight. This place is popular for bird watchers. The highlight here is the gushing water of Kala River, which is perfect for a dip. Flowing through the wilderness area, it has rounded pebbles, cold water, fish, and lush green trees. The most notable tourist locations here are Echo Point, Pepara Wildlife Sanctuary, and other trekking spots. Wildlife enthusiasts rejoice because Ponmudi is the home to Pepara Wildlife Sanctuary. The most commonly spotted animals here are elephant, sloth bear, sambha, Nilgiri langur, and macaques. After spending time in Ponmudi, I returned back to my home with the beautiful memories of Ponmudi Hill Station. It filled me with gratitude, calm disposition, joy, and love for the nature. Beauty is one of the realities that convince me to believe in the loving Creator. Our ability to appreciate things sets us apart from every other beings. God implanted the love for beauty in our souls, which means He loves it too. We need to take a little time today, tomorrow, every day to see the many beauties around you. God gave us the eyes to see the beauty in the nature and heart to see the beauty in each other. This journey reminded me of some few lines of the great poet Ralph Emerson. Welcome each and every fair face, in every fair sky, in every fair flower, and thank God for it as a cup of blessing. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thanks, Vidya, Toastmaster Vidya. That was a great speech, and that's going to be the end of the speech prepared speech session.